today we are going to move to the question number 6 of exercise 10.5. So in previous lecture we had completed the 5 sums and we had also learned the theorems. Okay. So एक फिफ्थ जो लास्ट टू थ्योरम पढ़ा था वो था साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल का थ्योरम. ओके, द अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर सप्लीमेंट्री, सॉरी opposite angles. So in the same case, let's see what is about here. So ABCD is again a cyclic quadrilateral. Let's name this ABCD quadrilateral. Also, let's write what is given. DBC angle is 70 degree. That is my DBC. So D, B and C. This angle is 70 degree. उसके बाद BAC. This angle is 30 degree. And angle BCD you have to find. BCD. This angle you have to find. Keep it question mark. Further, if AB is equal to BC, find ECD. So let's say the point of intersection is ECD and also BCD. So ये पूरा भी ढूंढना है और ये छोटा हाफ भी एंगल ECD भी ढूंढना है. So given things मैंने फिगर में पोस्ट कर दी. See the figure here. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. So you will say there is a property of cyclic quadrilaterals. What is the property? The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay. तो beginning में let us concentrate on. So can I write? Look what I'm saying. BAC. कैन यू टेल मी ये सेगमेंट के अंदर कौन से दो एंगल्स इक्वल है? इन सेगमेंट BC, which two angles are in the angles in the same segment? So BAC is equal to which angle? And I will write a reason: angles in same segment are equal. So who is going to tell me in this figure that BAC will be congruent to which another angle? Can you tell me? So like 30 degree is in the segment BC, also BDC is in the same segment. So I'll write this angle as BDC. So measure of angle BDC shall be equal to, so BAC कितना है? क्वेश्चन में दिया है 30 डिग्री. BDC भी हो जाएगा 30. So let us write angle BDC is also 30 degree. So ये एंगल हमें 30 डिग्री मिल गया. Why it is 30? Because both these angles are in the same segment. Next thing, after completing this two angles as equal angles, what we can say, can you go in triangle, which triangle? BCD. Now in BCD, you know this is 70, this is 30. Can you find BCD? Yes, you can write angle BCD measure plus angle BDC plus angle DBC. This angle plus this angle plus this angle forms 180 degree. So what is BCD? Nahi pata. BDC which we have found above as 30 degree, and what is DBC given in the question? 70 degree. Total होगा 180. So angle BCD shall be equal to 180 minus 100 degree. BCD कितना मिला? It will be 80 degree. What you have found now? BCD. So this is what asked in the question. So BCD तो मिल गया. Next. Now what is the next question? Find ECD. ECD. Okay. So I'll go to triangle. In triangle ABC, they have provided AB congruent to BC. So this segment and this segments are equal segments, AB and BC. So I can say the base angles, which two angles? BAC and ACB, both will be equal. So if I talk about ACB, it will be equal to BAC की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 30 डिग्री. मतलब ये 30 है तो ये भी 30 होगा। ओके, नाउ ये पूरा 30 नहीं है, ओनली ई सी बी, दिस पार्ट इज 30, बट हमें ढूंढना ई सी डी। सो टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, ये पूरा एंगल में इतना एंगल कितना है 30 डिग्री, और ये पूरा एंगल कितना निकला है, होल दिस एंगल फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर वी हैव फाउंड इट, हाउ मच, बी सी डी हमने कितना फाइंड किया 80 डिग्री। तो अगर सिर्फ इतना ढूंढना है तो दिस विल बी 80 माइनस 30, यस और नो, मीन्स ई सी डी कैसे निकालोगे, सो लेट्स राइट एंगल ई सी डी इज इक्वल टू होल एंगल बी सी डी माइनस स्मॉल एंगल ई सी डी। सो 80 माइनस 30, फाइनली ई सी डी कितना मिल जाता है, this ECD will be 50 degree. Okay, so let's close this figure here and I'll just revise it once again. Now look the flow of the question. सबसे पहला हिंट क्या था कि this 30 degree angle, that is BAC and angle BDC lie in the same segment, so they will be the congruent angles. So this is 30, so this angle is 30. Now in this triangle BCD, this is 30, this is 70, so this whole angle, which one, BCD, will be 80 degree. Okay, next thing, segments this and BC and AB are the equal segments, so AB and BC are equal, so this will be 30, then this is also going to be 30. अब इतना पोर्शन 30 है, ये पूरा पोर्शन 80 है, तो ECD कितना मिलेगा, ECD means this small part which will be 80 minus 30, which is 50 degree. That's all. So please note it down. Next question. What is the question? If the diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle through the vertices of quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. चलो एक सर्कल के ऊपर साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल ड्रॉ करते हैं. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Where AC and BD are the diameters of the circle with center O. सो क्वाड्रिलैटरल ABCD एक साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल है जहां पे AC और BD डायगोनल्स आर द डायमीटर्स ऑफ द सर्कल. सो ये डायमीटर्स ऑफ सर्कल भी है, उसके बाद इनका सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल क्या है, सो दिस इज द फिगर प्रोवाइडेड टू अस बाय द क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रूव, यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट ABCD ये क्या है, रेक्टेंगल है. सो इसे रेक्टेंगल प्रूव करने के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू प्रूव द अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. सो let us write to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, is a rectangle. Given to prove and the proof part. So we will start from which triangles? So in triangle AOD and triangle BOC, look out, AOD और BOC क्या ये रेडियस इसको इक्वल होगा और ये रेडियस इसको इक्वल होगा, मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट OA shall be equal to OC, OD shall be equal to OB. Let us write this as radii of circle. This again is a radii of circle. Now next thing, angle AOD shall be equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angles. Henceforth triangle AOD shall be congruent to triangle BOC. ये दोनों triangles क्या congruent by which test? SAS. Now if these two triangles are congruent, I could say AD segment shall be equal to BC segment. Also angle, which one? DOA. So you can say, let's say angle ODA will be equal to angle OBC. Yani if I say from the figure, this angle and this angles are the congruent angles. Now if these two angles are congruent, then you can conclude that this AD shall be parallel to BC. Yes or no? So we can say angle, so AD segment will be parallel to BC, as what we will say, alternate angles are equal on transversal. So कौन से ट्रांसवर्सल पे इक्वल है? BD ट्रांसवर्सल पे, x x. So alternate angles AD and BC. So we could say these two alternate angles are equal. Henceforth AD segment is parallel to BC. So वैसे ही अगर AD is parallel to, we can prove this two triangles also congruent. Which one? वैसे ये जैसे ये दो triangles congruent proof हुए. Which one? AOD and BOC. If these two triangles are congruent, similarly AOB and DOC will be also congruent, and therefore AB is also parallel to CD. So similarly we can write. So हम एक शॉर्ट में क्या लिखते हैं? So the same steps can be applied back and said similarly AB shall be parallel to CD. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. अगर ये पैरेललोग्राम है, ओके, अगर ये पैरेललोग्राम है, अभी एक ही हिंट चाहिए. What you want if a parallelogram having an angle 90 degree, it will be said to be a rectangle. So एक ही चीज बची, you have to prove somewhere one of the angle A or B or C or D, कोई भी एक angle 90 degree prove करना पड़ेगा. So let us see how to do that. Now so we have angle DAB, okay, equal to angle DCB. Yes or no? Opposite angles of parallelogram. So यहाँ पे DAB और DCB, which one? DAB, this angle, and DCB, these are the opposite angles of parallelogram. So DAB and DCB are the congruent angles. So these both angles are equal. Other statement, can I say DAB plus DCB, अगर इन दोनों को ऐड करो तो साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल की प्रॉपर्टी क्या बोलती है? इट विल बी सप्लीमेंट्री. सो लेट अस यूज दैट प्रॉपर्टी. So I could also write angle DAB plus angle DCB. These two angles shall make an angle of 180 degree. Now if these two angles are congruent and their addition is 180, then we can write both these angles angle equal. So DAB plus angle DAB shall be equal to 180. So 2 times angle DAB shall be equal to 180 degree. तो सिर्फ DAB कितना एंगल होगा? It will be 90 degree. Now in figure, okay, so this ABCD is a parallelogram where each angle is 90 degree. So अगर एक एंगल भी 90 हो गया, means a figure with one angle 90 degree. So we can say अगर DAB equal है तो DCB is also a 90 degree angle. Okay, therefore what we can say now about quadrilateral ABCD? So ABCD is a rectangle. Why rectangle? Because it is a parallelogram. So a parallelogram with angles 90 degree is a rectangle. ओके ऐसे हमारे पास ABCD क्या प्रूफ हो गया, रेक्टेंगल. सो लेट्स रिवाइज वंस अगेन. Concentrate whole process of the sum. सबसे beginning, quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. This is the thing we have to prove. So I'll start with proving that angle this is equal to angle this. उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, AOD और BOC congruent दिखाया. अगर AOD and BOC are the congruent angles, then CPCT से this x angle will be equal to this angle. ओके उसके बाद अल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल है. सो AD एंड BC आर द पैरेलल लाइंस. सो AD इज पैरेलल टू BC. उसके बाद ये AOB एंड DOC भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ होगा. सो सिमिलरली वी कैन से AB शैल बी पैरेलल टू CD ऑल्सो. सो सिमिलरली AB इज पैरेलल टू CD. So this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this, hence for ABCD क्या हो गया, एक पैरेललोग्राम फिगर हो गया. Now how a parallelogram becomes a rectangle? If each angle is 90 degree, that's all you have to do. So मैंने क्या किया, now I have said that angle A plus angle C will be, so A shall be equal to C. Why? Because it is a property of parallelogram. Second thing, A plus C will be 180. It is a property of cyclic quadrilateral. So we can write opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are quadrilateral are supplementary. So what has happened, A is equal to C and A plus C is equal to 180, then both these angles will be equal angles. So DAB is equal to 90 degree. अगर DAB 90 तो DCB also is 90. Similarly ABCD is a rectangle. Why? Because now we have proved a parallelogram with angles 90 degree is said to be a rectangle. Okay, so please note it down. Please note this page 2. Now come to the next question. So read the question. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is a cyclic. So this is a trapezium. I'll name it as A, B, C and D. So in the given trapezium, we have to prove this trapezium is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now let us consider two perpendiculars E and F. First thing I'll write given. What is my given thing? So quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium ओके इन ट्रेपेजियम. सो ये ट्रेपेजियम में क्या क्या इक्वल दिया है, दे हैव आल्सो गिवन AD इज इक्वल टू BC. सो नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स में दिस टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. टू प्रूफ quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, this you have to prove. Next thing, construction. So for that I am going to draw, let us draw DE perpendicular to AB and CF perpendicular to AB. So दो segments draw किए मैंने जो perpendicular draw. Now proof part. So let us प्रूफ पार्ट में जाते हैं. चलो सो सबसे पहले मेरा स्टेप होगा DEA and CFD. These two triangles are supposed to be proved congruent. So DEA triangle and triangle CFB, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में आप मुझे जल्दी से बताओगे. पहली चीज क्या, AD इज इक्वल टू BC. यस और नो, गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट थिंग, एंगल्स 90 डिग्री AED and BC. So these are each 90. This is given in the question. and can you say this and this segment will be equal? So DE shall be equal to CF. उसका एक reason होगा, distance, particular distance between two parallel equal. So I'll say perpendicular distance between parallel lines are equal. ओके, सो इन दोनों के बीच वाला जो डिस्टेंस है वो इक्वल होगा. सो डी और सी एफ क्या हो गया? इक्वल. नाउ ट्राइंगल डी ई ए शैल बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल सी एफ बी बाय आर एच एस रिपेयर. सो एनसीपीसिटी से आई कैन से एंगल डी ए ई शैल बी इक्वल टू एंगल सी बी एफ. एंगल डी ए ई शैल बी इक्वल टू एंगल सी बी एफ. मतलब ये जो एंगल्स क्या हो गए? इक्वल यूजिंग सिपिसिटी. Now, if these two angles are equal, I could also say that my angle A is equal to angle B. Yes or no? So A is equal to B. Next thing, can I say angle A plus angle D shall be equal to 180 degree? Interior angles. Why A plus D will be 180? Because AB is parallel to DC, and on transversal AD, interior angles A plus D will be 180. Now tell me students, ये angle A. So in place of angle A, can I write angle B? Yes or no? क्योंकि A और B equal है तो B. Now see, B and D, these are the angles which are on opposite side, which are found as supplementary. दूसरी चीज, again you can write angle C plus angle B. This is again 180 degree. And same reason, interior angles are supplementary. Now for angle C, I'll keep it as it is. And what is my B is equal to A. So मैं यहाँ पे angle A plus C, ये क्या बनेगा? Let's write first B. Angle B plus angle C. So now angle A plus angle C will form 180 degree. And this is my statement number 2. Now look out. B plus D, yani this angle plus this angle, opposite pairs are supplementary, and also angle A plus angle C is also supplementary. Now you have studied, if the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary, then we can say it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So यहाँ पे B plus D opposite pairs are supplementary, और दूसरा A plus C is 180. Again this is also opposite angles. So let us complete the question. So what I'll write, A plus C 180 and this. So from statement number 1 and 2, both these statements are telling me quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. और इसका रीजन क्या लिखोगे आप? Sum of pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180. So we have studied a theorem on this कि अगर opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180, then the given quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. So खत्म करते हैं इस sum को. Please note it down now. Okay, next question. Read the question, everyone. Question का फिगर इतना डिफिकल्ट लगता है आफ्टर वॉचिंग इट, बट आई विल टेल यू स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन अ स्मॉल ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ द सम. ओके, सो रेड पेन लेके मैं क्वेश्चन को पहले समझा देता हूँ, उसके बाद लिखेंगे. देखो, you have to only prove ACP is equal to QCD. This ACP is equal to QCD ये प्रूव करना है. उसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं एंगल्स इन सेम सेगमेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टी चलेगी. So we have studied a theorem, angles in the same segments are equal. So I will give you the option. Now look at this arc AP. Okay, and name two angles which are in the same segment. So if I will talk about this, X एक एंगल ये वाला ACP, again also ABP, can you see this is also in the same segment? So मेरे हिसाब से इस फिगर में in the segment AP we could see angle ACP and ABP. So दो एंगल्स इन द सेम सेगमेंट्स. उसके बाद ऐसा ही DQ एंगल. So इस सेगमेंट में कौन से दो एंगल्स है? So DQ के अंदर एक आ गया ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एक आ गया Y. Okay, now I can also say PBA and DBQ. This X or Y shall be equal. Why equal? Because they are on the opposite sides. So vertically opposite angles. So देखो फ्लो कैसे हो गया. अगर ये X इस X को इक्वल है और ये Y इस Y को इक्वल है और यहाँ पे X इज इक्वल टू Y प्रूफ हुआ, इसका मतलब एंगल ACP एंड एंगल QCD आर दी कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल्स. So simple है. It's very easy. Okay. So what we'll write it? So three major statements. So given thing you will write two circles intersect at 2 points. So you don't have to write the given thing, it's already given. So let's not write it. What you have to prove, let's mention it. So to prove angle ACP is equal to angle QCD, proof part. So first statement, what you will form? That angle ACP shall be equal to angle ABP. Angles in same segments are equal. Fine. Statement number 1. Second thing, also in this we could say QCD will be equal to angle QBD. Second statement, again reason may be similar above. This is also angles in the same segment DQ. उसके बाद angle PBA shall be equal to angle BQD, sorry QBD. Vertically opposite angles. So now I could say this is statement number 3. So statement number 1, statement number 2 and statement number 3 will make a conclusion. क्या conclude होगा कि ये x और ये x है, ये y और y है और x is equal to y है, तो इसका मतलब एंगल ACP and angle QCD will be equal. Okay, so this is the very easy proof. What this angle is? This is y, so this angle is y. If this x is equal to y, then this x is equal to y. So ACP is equal to QCD. That's all. So this much is the sum. Short and simple. Note it down.
स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो डू लाइक इट एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मेनी मोर अपडेट्स.